My question is, in your opinion, do judges too often avoid making tough decisions in cases with political implications? The answer is absolutely yes. In fact, Judge Fargo just told you she was the head of the Family Violence Division. When I was a prosecutor at the Dallas District Attorney's Office, we had thousands and thousands of cases where one spouse would accuse the other spouse of domestic violence. And then after the police show up and one of the spouses gets arrested post-bond, generally the other spouse is the one who bailed them out of jail. Most of these people have marital and family problems, but the last thing that they want is for the wife or the husband to be in the court trying to prosecute their wife or their husband. And make no mistake about it, about 20% of the cases have male victims, if you will, as opposed to it all being just female victims. When I was a judge, I said to the district attorney's office, if the victim doesn't want to come down here and testify, you're not going to be allowed to have the police officer who went to the house come in here and offer hearsay, tell us what the victim supposedly told you. There are about 28 exceptions to the hearsay rule, if you will. One of them is called an excited utterance. Now, this may be a little too deep in the weeds, and I apologize. But I said no. The Sixth Amendment trumps these rules that are promulgated by the Texas Supreme Court. The Constitution trumps the courts. And under the Sixth Amendment, each one of us have the absolute right to be confronted by anybody who's accusing us of some type of criminal wrongdoing. So I stood up to the district attorney's office. I did what other judges refused to do at the time. And my comment to you is, that's proven courage and integrity, if you will. And to this day, I am proud of that because the United States Supreme Court eventually affirmed my reasoning, if you will, in other cases where you could not introduce that hearsay if the victim wasn't in court. Thank you so much.